Good day everyone, this is Ma'am Aduko, and for today's tutorial video, I will be discussing trade discounts. And this topic is in connection with our lesson in business mathematics, buying and selling. And before I will proceed to our discussion, allow me to invite you, dear students, to follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel Bright Minds for new videos. And also I would like to give thanks to those students that are already subscribed and following our tutorial videos. Well done guys, and continue to do so. You can use our videos as your additional reference and resources. And let me also give our objective for this topic. Okay, so illustrates how to compute single trade discounts and discount series. And I would like to give you first this problem. A television set was bought for 3,825 pesos net of discount. The selling price was listed at 4,500 pesos. Compute for A, the net invoice price rate, B, trade discount, C, trade discount rate, and D, the net invoice price. So we will answer this problem at the end of this video. Let us define first what is trade discounts. So trade discounts is a reduction from list price granted to buyers. So let's say it is the amount by which the retail price of a product is reduced by the manufacturer when it is sold to the reseller or customer. Like example, you are a buyer and then you purchase a large quantities of goods. So the manufacturer can give you trade discounts. So it could take the form of volume discounts for large purchases, or distributors discounts, or special discounts granted at the discretion of the seller. So what is the purpose of trade discounts? So the purpose of trade discounts is to invite more customers to buy or purchase. And then we can solve the trade discount using this formula. Trade discount equals less price multiplied by the discount rate. Trade discounts could either be single or series discounts. So there are two types of trade discounts: single or series discounts. Then trade discount rate, it is the amount of the discount expressed as a percentage. And then we go to the less price or catalog price. It is the price for which you can generally sell an item, or it is the fee for a service or product before discounts are deducted or sale taxes are added. So that is a less price or catalog price. And then net price or net invoice price, it is the final charge you pay for a product or service after discounts and sale taxes are computed. So that is the net price or the net invoice price. We go to the first type of trade discount, which is the single discount. computing for discounts, make use of our basic percentage formula. Do you still remember what is the formula for finding the percentage? So dear students, if you don't, you can check our tutorial videos in our YouTube channel Bright Minds. You can find videos about finding the percentage, base, and rate. So the basic percentage formula is percentage equals base multiply by rate. Okay, so for single discount, okay, so this is the formula. Trade discount okay, so trade discount equals the less price. We already know what is the less price, then multiply by the discount rate. Okay, so we can see here the trade discount is the percentage, and then the base is the less price, and then the rate is the discount rate. So another formula also to be used in finding the discount is the net invoice price. Okay, net invoice price, or NIP for short. Okay, less price. Okay, so let's write LP for less price, and then less trade discounts, or TD. Okay, so that is the formula for finding the net invoice price. Okay, so remember this, students. Trade discount equals less price multiplied by discount rate. And to find the net invoice price equals less price minus trade discount. Okay, I will give you an example for solving single discount. I have here an example for single discount. Compute the discount for an item with a less price of 1,250 pesos, subject to a 15% discount. What is the net invoice price? So there are two methods that we can use in this problem in finding the single discount. Okay, so we're going to use the first method. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to compute for the trade discount, and we know that the formula for finding the trade discount is less price multiplied by the discount rate. Okay, so we just use trade discount. Okay, less price multiplied by the discount rate. Okay, so the less price here, 1,250 pesos. Okay, multiply by 15% discount. Okay, so 0.15. Okay, in decimal form. Okay, so the trade discount is 187 and pesos and 50 centavos. centavos. Okay, so we already solved or found the trade discount. Then we can answer what is the net invoice price. Okay, so the net invoice price, less price, less the discount. Okay, so our less price is 1,250 and the discount is 187 pesos and 50 centavos. Okay, so the net invoice price is 1,062 pesos and 50 centavos. Now, another method for finding the single discount is we need to get first the net invoice price rate. Okay, so we need to get the net invoice price rate first, or NIP rate. Okay, so the formula will be 100%, this is the discount, less the discount rate. Okay, so 100 less the discount rate is 15%. Okay, so the net rate will be 85%. And then we proceed to find the net invoice price. Okay, so we go to compute the net invoice price, which is the formula less price and then multiplied by the NIP rate. Okay, so the less price is 1,250 multiplied by the NIP rate of 85% or 0.85. Okay, so the net invoice price is 1,062 pesos and 50 centavos. Okay, so we have the net invoice price and then we have the less price. Now we try to compute for the discount or the trade discount. Okay, so the trade discount, less price, less the net invoice price. Okay, so our less price is 1,250 and then the net invoice price is 1,062 pesos and 50 centavos. So the discount or the trade discount is 187 pesos and 50 centavos. Okay, so which is from the two methods that you are comfortable to use, students? So which from these two methods is easy for you to use? Okay, you can use the method 1, which is you just find the trade discount and then the NIP, or you can use the method 2 that we had used. Okay, so we are done with the single discount topic. Now we are going to answer the problem that I posed on the first part of the video. a television set was bought for 3,825 pesos net of discount. The selling price was listed at 4,500 pesos. So the questions are: find A, the NIP rate, B, the trade discount, C, the trade discount rate, and the last, the net invoice price. Okay, so what will be the first thing that we need to find? So what we have in the problem? What are the given? Okay, so we have the 3,825 pesos as the net of discount, and then the selling price is also given, so we can compute for the trade discount. Okay, so how are we going to compute for the trade discount? Diba? How? Okay, the selling price and then less the discount or the trade discount. So okay, so we have 4,500 less the net of discount, which is 3,825. Okay, so the trade discount is how much? 675 pesos. Okay, so one down. Okay, so can we solve the NIP rate? No, we cannot. Okay, so we need to find the trade discount rate. Okay, so how much is our discount? 675. Okay, so 675 divided by the 4,500 as the selling price. Okay, 4,500, and then multiply it by 100 to find the percentage. Okay, so 675 divided by 4,500, so the answer will be 15%. So the trade discount rate is 15%. So now we have the discount rate, so we can solve for the NIP rate. Okay, so 100% is the discount, and then less the discount rate of 15%. Okay, so the NIP rate is 85%. Okay, so how to solve for the net invoice price? You remember how to solve the net invoice price? The formula, less price multiplied by the NIP rate. Okay, so our less price is 4,500, and then multiply by the NIP rate of 0.85. Okay, so the net invoice price is 3,825 pesos. So actually, there's no need to solve because it is already been given.